Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about 9 habits of successful people. Number 1. Read books every day. A lot of people tend to avoid reading, but on the opposite side, successful people see books as a gateway to knowledge. If reading as a pathway to success isn't enough to get you motivated, consider these health benefits of reading. Reading has been shown to help prevent stress, depression, and dementia, while enhancing confidence, empathy, decision-making, and overall life satisfaction. The most successful people all tend to have one thing in common. Elon Musk reads for 10 hours each day before growing up to become Tesla CEO. It also increases vocabulary, raises self-esteem, builds good communication skills, and strengthens the prediction engine that is the human brain. Reading leads to many answers that have arisen in our minds. It leads to many questions too, making us all the more inquisitive to know new things. Number 2. Take risks. Taking risks eliminates the possibility of looking back and asking, what if, even if you fail? You'll walk away with more experience and more knowledge, which can lead you to further success in other areas, and at least one study shows that risk takers end up more satisfied with their lives because of it. Taking a risk to achieve a goal requires courage to face the fear of uncertainty. No matter the outcome either way, we grow through the process and become more resilient and confident. Better yet, building those skills helps in taking more risks and improves the chances of achieving future goals. Risks build self-confidence and self-respect, helping you feel stronger as a person and gain the courage to continue taking larger and more positive risks. Keep in mind that failure is part of the process too. Sometimes, they provide the most valuable business lessons an entrepreneur can learn. Failure helps shape future business strategies and can eventually lead to business growth. They are always an experiment, but you learn something along the way. Number 3. Waking up early. Many successful people wake up early so that they are able to use undisturbed time to do stuff for themselves. Waking up early is great for getting organized, strategic thinking, and planning. Studies have also suggested early rising and success might be linked. People who wake up early are more in sync with the traditional corporate schedule and tend to have more proactive personalities. Steve Jobs said that he wakes up at 6 a.m. during an interview in 1999. Jobs told a reporter that he is very much a morning person and is operating at the highest efficiency levels by 6:15 a.m. Number 4. Exercise every day. Working out is a habit the wealthy tend to have in common. 76% of the rich exercise for at least 30 minutes every day, according to Tom Corley, author of Change Your Habits, Change Your Life. These 5 billionaires give partial credit for their success. According to a study that has been accepted for publication in the journal Personality and Individual Differences, exercise not only makes us feel more positive, but it also increases the likelihood that we'll do more positive things. In addition, it helps you control your weight, reduce your risk of heart diseases, help your body manage blood sugar and insulin levels, improve your mental health and mood, help keep your thinking, learning, and judgment skills sharp as you age. Number 5. Make plans. Without goals, you are going to have no direction, no ambition to be successful. So setting goals helps trigger new behaviors, helps guide your focus, and helps you sustain that momentum in life. Smart planning sets you up for success by making goals specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. The SMART method helps push you further, gives you a sense of direction, and helps you organize and reach your goals. Success requires planning, thinking, and action. If you're like me, you are always looking for ways to improve your work so that you can reach the goals you have set for yourself. The key is setting clear goals and then implementing a plan to achieve them. Number 6. Daily meditation. Meditation relaxes you by allowing you to focus on one thing, such as your breathing, thus helping eliminate the stream of jumbled thoughts causing stress. If practiced on a regular basis, meditation can give you a sense of peace, calm and balance, and help you gain new perspectives when facing stressful situations. It can strengthen areas of your brain responsible for memory, learning, attention, and self-awareness. Over time, mindfulness meditation can increase cognition, memory, and attention. As Gates has learned, meditation has physiological and brain benefits that have been proven by research. One study found that meditating for just 20 minutes a day can improve not only mood and stress levels, but also deep cognitive processing efficiency, which is a core aspect of your fluid intelligence. Those who meditated also showed an increase in IQ by 23%. Number 7. Learning how to spend your money. Money management refers to how you handle all aspects of your finances. From making a budget for where each paycheck goes to setting long-term goals to picking investments that will help you to reach those goals. Oftentimes, people say that they can live without money. Money plays a huge role in the society in a variety of ways, such as in business, at people's job, and even in education. Money helps people achieve a better quality of education, larger chance of business success, and higher work output. A good money management plan gives you security and helps to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. It keeps you moving toward your financial goals, both big and small. Try to monitor your cash flow and track your spending. You need to ensure you're bringing in more money than you're spending. McClanahan emphasizes. She recommends recording each and every purchase you make for a couple of months. Number 8. Make your own decisions. Each person has different ideas about what is important and what makes them feel best. Making your own choices about the things you do is very important because it gives your life meaning. Making choices about what is important to you helps you be more independent and in charge of your life. Here are some secrets to great decision making. Describe what you want to accomplish and why. Know what is motivating your decision. Consider more than one workable alternative if possible. Look at 2 to 3 at minimum. Keep your options open for as long as possible. Trust your intuition. Number 9. Keep your hopes up. Self-belief requires a holistic strategy. You must take control of your thoughts and feelings so you're able to reach your peak state. It also entails building up confidence in your abilities as well as falling in love with yourself, the parts of your personality, perspective, and experience that make you uniquely you. When you believe in yourself, you can overcome self-doubt and have the confidence to take action and get things done. It's the linchpin of exceptional leadership, because self-confidence lets you manage and inspire others with assurance and direction. Learning how to believe in yourself is critical to creating the life you desire. When you believe in yourself, you feel like you can handle the world. Positive energy and a little confidence gives a major lift, and eventually your attitude becomes the right one. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to support our channel for more amazing content. Take care.